2, 1, go.
Hi there, this is Jen from Spokane Public Library again. As you can see, I am in this garden, day 2 in my garden in the making. Last night, Mother Nature played a joke on us. She dumped 2 inches of snow, but did not stop us. So that actually presented an opportunity for all of us living in town. If you have been thinking about having a garden going, now is the best time to dig. If you have some sod, some grass that you need to remove, the ground is wet and soaked through, so it's perfect time to get out your shovel and start digging. Let me show you what we have done so far in day 2. If you have limited space in your backyard, a couple of this bed is plenty to provide a bounty for the summer. This is 12 inches deep. I have it deep enough so that we can grow things like carrots and larger things. But if you're thinking about just lettuce or some green to start, 6 inches is plenty. But think for a longer term and plan a little bit further ahead. This is a 2 inches wide by 6 inches high, double up 12 inches, and a long 12 feet long. So if you have a couple of beds like this in town, you should be able to have a good yield by summer. So then we have here a couple of, this is 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. We have about 10 of this in this garden. So no matter what size you're thinking, a couple of this is a good place to start. In the time of great challenges like we're all facing today, think of it as an opportunity as well. While we're cooped up at home and the governor has ordered all of us to stay home and stay healthy, it's a great opportunity for the whole family to go out and dig. So with us again today is Keenan Reinhardt from Hardscape Contracting. Keenan, tell us, what are you doing today?
Today we have all the irrigation lines getting set up. So each bed has its own valve and irrigation pipe. This way you can control the flow if there's not enough water going to the different beds. And by using this drip pipe, this is perforated drip pipe every 12 inches, it lets out water. So it's great for applications like this where you have them in the beds.
Excellent, thank you. Again, that's Keenan Reinhardt from Hardscape Contracting. Now, you don't always have to have a drip system, but living out in the country where water is fairly irregular, we would like to have this just to be sure that when we're not home, the garden is watered. I would also like to show you something as well. This bed are laid with a mesh, and that is to stop gophers from destroying and damaging plants before it matures. And you may need that. Depends on where you are. You may have gopher problems. So it's just a simple mesh that's laid on the ground. Until next time, be well.